AI has made app development easier, but only if you know the right process. So in this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to reliably turn your idea into a fully working app. We're about to build a complete habit tracker app from scratch using Lovable AI. To build our app, we only need two main tools. First, we'll use Deepseek, a free and powerful AI to create a perfect, detailed plan. Or, if you prefer, you can use ChatGPT for this step too. Both work great. Second, we'll use Lovable AI. This is the platform that will write the code and build our app based on our instructions. Now, a quick tip for you. Lovable is a paid tool, but you can get the best possible discount by using the special link I've put in the video description below. It's my affiliate link, and it often has better deals than going to the website directly, so make sure to use that to save some money. Here's our four-part plan. Craft the perfect plan using Deepseek, set up our project in Lovable and connect it to GitHub, build the app phase by phase using our plan, publish our app live on the internet. Part 1. Creating the master plan with Deepseek. For this tutorial, we're building a habit tracker and goal planner app. Instead of typing a basic description into Lovable, we'll ask Deepseek to generate the perfect specification document. In the Deepseek chat, I'll paste a powerful prompt. You can find this exact prompt in the video description below. Now, I'll hit enter. Watch how Deepseek creates a comprehensive step-by-step plan. This document is our blueprint. It tells Lovable exactly what to build and in what order, which is critical for avoiding errors. Perfect. Now we have our master plan. Let's switch over to Lovable. Part 2. Setting up Lovable and GitHub. Go to lovable.ai and sign up for free. Once you're in, you'll see a chat box. But we're not going to paste our long plan here just yet. First, we need to set up the project foundation. Let's start by giving Lovable a simple command to initialize a new blank project. In the chat, type create a new blank project for a web application called GoalForge. Great, Lovable has created a blank project. Now, the most important step for a complex app, connecting GitHub. This saves all your code so you never lose your work and can make changes later. Click on GitHub in the left sidebar and click on Enable GitHub Sync. Authorize Lovable with your GitHub account. If you don't have one, create a free account. It takes a minute. Once connected, your code will be safely stored in a GitHub repository. This is a non-negotiable best practice. Part 3. Building the app phase by phase. Now we'll use the plan from Deepseek. We're going to build one phase at a time. This lets us test each part and make sure everything works before moving on. Let's look at phase 1 from our Deepseek plan. It says to build the core layout and the user authentication pages. So I'll go back to the Lovable chat and paste only the instructions for phase 1. I'll hit enter, and just like that, Lovable starts building. In seconds, we have a professional-looking layout with sign-up and login pages. Now let's move to phase 2. Deepseek's plan says to build the dashboard and the habit creation form. I'll copy the instructions for phase 2 and paste them into the Lovable chat. Lovable builds it instantly. By following this phase-by-phase process from our Deepseek plan, we systematically build a complex, functional app without any confusion. If you ever get an error, just tell Lovable, try to fix it, and it usually will. Part 4. Publishing your app. We've built a fully functional habit tracker app. Now let's share it with the world. Publishing is the easiest part. In the top right of Lovable, click on the Publish button. Then, click on Publish again, and that's it. In less than a minute, Lovable provides you with a live URL. Your app is now on the internet, and anyone you share the link with can use it. Now, this is just the beginning. Using this exact same process, we can build much more complex applications. So if you're interested in seeing me build or clone apps like Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, or even a full-featured project management tool like Trello using AI, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. You don't want to miss those upcoming tutorials. If this one helped you, please give it a thumbs up. The link to get your discount on Lovable is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy building!